Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Zulhazik bin Zainuddin, and today I am going to share with you guys how to maintain your image by using public relation strategies. First of all, what is public relation? Okay, well, public relation is the people that are in charge on maintaining your company's public image with the people. Okay, whenever you make some mistakes or anything, public relations are the people that are going to fix it for you guys. Okay, so after I have told you guys what is public relation, now I am going to explain what is important for you guys to maintain your image. This is because no matter how good your products are, people will not buy or will not use it if your image is tarnished. If your image is tarnished, a lot of things can happen to your company or to your product. First, maybe investors are going to run from your company. People will avoid to use your products. Your image will tarnish and go down. Your name reputation will also go down. Okay, so people, listen, it is very important to take care of your image. If your image is tarnished, everything is finished. Hey, hi, welcome. Okay, so after I've shown you guys the problem that has raised in Stadium Nasional Bukit Jalil, can we fix it? According to Bob the Builder, yes, we can. Okay, how can we fix this problem? By using public relations strategies. Stadium Nasional Bukit Jalil Committee or anyone in the KBS or anyone in charge with Stadium Nasional Bukit Jalil should come up with a proper press release and also an apology statement. The content inside both of those two documents should conclude a proper apology. They also should include why those kind of stuffs happen, what are the taken measures to ensure that those kind of things cannot happen again. And also, they cannot fight with the people on the internet and they have to let it go so that the problem can just go away like that. But they have to come up with a proper press release and an apology statement. That is all. Thank you. Okay, so how can all these public transportation services improve their image after this kind of incidents happen in their company? Well, first of all, just like the case of Stadium Nasional Bukit Jalil, they have first come up with an apology statement and with a press release followed by a press conference. So, the steps that should be taken by all these public transportation services are first, issue a public apology, next, press release, and lastly, a press conference. They should do all these three and avoid anything that could result in a public relation disaster, such as providing free transportation for a month. Okay, so in conclusion, by managing your image well, your company will be well also. So why should you maintain the image of your company? This is mainly because you have to take care of your investors, you have to take care of your customers, and you have to take care of your brand. Okay, so if your image is tarnished, just like what I mentioned earlier, your company is finished. So be wary of your image and don't tarnish it very much. That's all from me. Thank you. See you guys again.